How to fix the Google Play Store sign-in issue. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem of yours on the Google Play Store. So any day if you are trying to use the Google Play Store but it is showing the sign-in issue and you are not able to sign in your account on the Google Play Store, then how you can solve the very problem is by following the following steps. Very firstly, long press on a Google Play Store and go on the I section right here. Make sure that you have held all the permissions allowed on your Google Play Store, because sometimes the permission might not be allowed and the sign in method and the sign in process will also not be updated. So make sure you have given all the permissions and the notifications are also allowed here. So if it is done, then what you can simply do is go on the storage section right here. After going on the storage section, clear all the cache and clear all the data here. After doing so, what you can do is simply just power off your button and restart your device once again and try to open and sign into your Google account, which might solve your problem. You can simply force stop while power offing your button, and again when you open it, simply tap on the Google Play Store and tap on the sign in option, and this might solve your problem. But if this does not solve your problem, then you can visit the Google Play Store Help Center and it will give you a feedback after a few days. And your problem might be solved just like that. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment on the comment section below.